little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing PUSHEEN. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing PUSHEEN the cat and we're gonna make him eating pizza. We're gonna go in the center of the paper and we're gonna go up a little. I want to start with a little mouth. It is like U shapes, two U shapes together. And in the middle, we're gonna do a little bit of a circle. I'm doing this with the point of the marker because it's tiny. Next, we're gonna do the top of the head. So I wanna leave about 2 finger space and I wanna do a little line that goes here over the nose and the mouth. Next, we're gonna do the ears. I wanna start going in a little and I'm gonna do a pointy shape and I'm gonna do a triangle shape or like a A shape like that. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, we're gonna go up and down and I'm passing this line that I did first. Now PUSHEEN has a big round body, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna continue with this line and we're gonna do a round shape that is gonna come down. So I'm gonna start going round and I'm gonna start turning my hand to go to the right. Okay, I want to stop right there. Let's do the same on the other side. I want to continue with this line. We're gonna start going down and now we're gonna start curving, going now to the left. Okay, so we're gonna leave the space down here open. We're gonna do the bottom feet, so we're gonna do here a little circle. That's the first one. And for this one, we're gonna do a little different. We're gonna do kind of like a C shape, okay? So I'm gonna leave a little bit of a space on this line and then I'm gonna do a C shape. Okay, and now I'm gonna join the bottom of the C shape with this line and we're gonna do one more line between these two. So this line can be a little bit more straight, like that. Okay? Now let's do the whiskers. They're gonna come right underneath where we finish our A shape. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, and they're crossing the marker line. Let's go on the other side. 1, 2. Now we're gonna continue with the eyes. The eyes are small and round, so I wanna leave a little bit of a space, about a finger, and then I'm gonna do my first circle here. I'm gonna fill it with black. Again, about a finger space, and then I'm gonna do my other circle. Next, we're gonna do the little hand. I'm gonna go down following the line of my eye. I'm gonna do a C shape, okay? This C shape is a little bit bigger than this one. Now, I'm gonna leave about 2 finger space, a space here in the middle, and we're gonna do the C shape now backwards. Okay? Now, in between these two, I'm gonna do another A shape, and this one is pointing to where the mouth is. So I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna curve a little and comes back down. And then I want to imagine this line goes in behind the hand and it just sticks out a little bit on this side and the same on the other one. Now we're going to do a curve on each side. So I'm going to do a curve here and a curve on the other side. And now we can join them. I want to do one more line, leaving a space. This is going to be the crust. And we're going to do one more line right there. And the last details of the pizza, we're gonna do it at the end with the colors. The last detail for my PUSHEEN cat to be done is the tail. I'm gonna do mine on the right side, so we're gonna start down here. I'm gonna do a curve and come back and join with the body. And there, that's it. We finished this PUSHEEN cat. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artist, we are done. This is how my PUSHEEN looks like. I try my best to match the colors of the original character. I also make my pizza to be pepperoni pizza, but you guys can change the ingredients. You can get creative and just draw your favorite pizza. I also add here 2 rosy cheeks with a color pencil, and with a white marker I went ahead and add some details here on the pizza just to give it a little bit more of texture. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!